It is only INEC that decides the results of elections in Nigeria, not your PVC. The sooner you understand this, the better for you. Your PVC is useless.
INEC una do well. Now the only rope will be tied together as one Nigeria, and now una cut so. You understand? Election will be say they very clear to everybody. Say na Peter Obi na win this election. See, not be waiting the ground ever since. Where be say man, if I see they hear some Igbo, they even they talk say they know they support Biafra, the thing go they pay me. Where be say man, Yoruba and Hausa they believe say man, Igbo people not they part of Nigeria, but still they keep them, they hold their hostage, they keep them for their slaves. You understand? If you hold Nigerian passport and you come from the east, remove one from there, say man, you get country. Not all team freedom of Biafra say they don't achieve Igbo people, they will never be free, you understand? Because Hausa and Yoruba, they believe say man, that they use Igbo people as slave for that country. Just imagine 2015 general election where everybody decides say man, they want change. They vote Buhari, everybody gather vote Buhari, nobody ring that election. Even Goodluck Jonathan was the president then. He not temper with the election process. Imagine he reached Igbo man town. Even the INEC officials they know was very obvious say man that Peter Obi win. But simply because say man they know say man Igbo people they are not part of Nigeria. They know say they hold those people as slaves. Now make they ring this election. Wetin dey very obvious. Imagine they decide say man for Peter Obi person wey go fit lead the country simply because say na Igbo man. Now they decide say man na Tinubu person wey don dey like support, person wey be say man can die at any moment. Now they go give presidency to. I want you this media to tell you if you be Igbo anywhere you dey for this world, if you still hold Nigerian passport, you know say man you not get any country at all. Not until the freedom of Biafra is achieved. All the Igbos all over the world make una take note. If you know they support Biafra before, I believe say don't they clear enough to you say man Hausa, Yoruba and every other tribe they believe say man Igbo people they are not part of Nigeria. If they not give you the chance to make decision, it
must learn from IPOB. Had we boycotted the elections, they would have blamed everything on us. It is the curse of IPOB. That's why IPOB lost. But we lifted it and delivered the entire Biafra land to IPOB, knowing fully well that Fulani will say no.